Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This video is the second part of the video on monthly expenses in the Netherlands. In the last video, we explained the mandatory monthly living cost in detail.
In this second part of the video, we will cover all the optional costs of living in the Netherlands. But before moving on to the video, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.
In the previous video, we covered a broad category of mandatory expenses that you have to bear when you are living in the Netherlands.
We mainly talked about your monthly rent, grocery costs, travel costs, taxes and much more.
Also, in our video named 8 Initial Expenses, we have talked about the initial one-time cost which you will have to bear once you move to the Netherlands.
So these three videos combined will give you a better understanding of the cost of living here and may help you plan your expenses in a better manner. We have also created a budget planner for you which you can find in our blog.
The numbers in this planner are approximated that you can edit out and customize according to your own needs. Now, without any further ado, let's get started with the list.
Eating out. This one is an optional cost, but we all know that it is pretty difficult to make it optional. There will be a time when you will start craving for that burger or a pizza, or you will be so tired from your college work all day that you would want to just sit at home and get your food delivered.
The cost of eating out depends on your food preferences, but the average cost of eating out can be between 10 to 20 euros per person. A burger from McDonald's will cost you around 6.5 euros. A complete McDonald's meal can be approximately 11 euros.
A 25cm pizza will cost you about 12.5 euros. The prices will come down if you manage to get some discount coupons, food coupons or something. But if you choose to go to a fancy place, then this cost can go up to 50 euros per person.
Food on campus is also not that cheap. A coffee can cost you around 2 euros and food, for example a falafel wrap, will cost you around 6 euros. But as we said, this is an optional cost. You can avoid eating out during weekdays if you prepare your meals in advance.
This way you will save a lot on your lunch money. A fun fact, Dutch people usually eat a cold meal for afternoon. They prefer a bread and a slice of cheese or some hummus with it, and that's it. That's all they eat mostly in the afternoons.
Gym. Many of you must have already googled a gym near the university. For those who are into gymming and fitness, you can expect a monthly cost of around 20 to 30 euros.
Again, this is an average cost. If you go for some high-end gyms, then prices can go up to 50 or 60 euros per month. You can save some cost by taking annual memberships.
This way you could save around 5 euros per month. If you are going to the gym, then the chances are you will also need a whey protein powder.
Yeah, like your whey protein, BCAAs, all of it. So the cost of a 2.5 kgs of a whey protein is around 35 euros. But again, this cost will differ for every brand. This cost will come down if you again manage to get some discount codes or some newbie offers or something. Yeah.
Salons. We have already discussed this in our previous video. A basic haircut is around 20 euros. But we highly recommend you invest in a good hair clipper if you would like to save in the long run.
A good clipper will cost you around 40 to 50 euros and you can easily learn how to cut your hair from YouTube. Not for girls, guys. The first few haircuts would be a disaster, tell them, sort of. Yeah. But you'll get the hang of it eventually. And for women, you can go to our previous video where we have a list of various charges that you have to pay for your eyebrows, facials and all of that. But please understand, ladies all out there, it is very expensive to go to a salon and get all the services done. So yeah, try to be as creative as possible if you want to do it on your own. Museums or exploring. When in the Netherlands, without a doubt, you will be captivated by the culture and history that this place has to offer. Everything around here is so beautiful.
We know that being an international student, sometimes you have to make those decisions that help you save money. You don't eat out that much. You stop yourself from exploring the country, and in short, you start living a frugal life.
However, not every exploring activity needs you to spend hundreds of euros. Holland is home to more than 400 museums, out of which 40 are in Amsterdam.
The ticket prices for these museums can range from 5 euros to 25 euros. Some museums even offer free entries or discounted ticket prices for students.
In the description box below, you can check out the list of museums with their ticket prices. If you want to visit more than 3 museums at once or say in a single day, then you can buy a pass, which will bring down the cost even more.
There are so many other tourist attractions in Holland, and if it's your birthday and you want to have fun, then you can choose from any of these. We again have a link in the description box using which you can purchase affordable tickets to some very fun experiences.
And if you want everything to be free and just want to explore the city, then just pick your bicycle. Rent it if you don't have one, of course it won't be free but it'll be cheap, and put it on a train and start exploring the city of your choice. Being a student doesn't have to be monotonous.
Movies. Of course, every once in a while there comes a movie like Avengers or Inception
Or Frozen.
Which you want to experience in a theatre. No one understands that better than us.
Well, if you spend wisely, you don't have to sacrifice much on that front. On average, a movie ticket can cost you 7.5 euros for normal viewing, 12.5 euros for 3D experience and 16.5 euros for a 4D experience.
In Holland, you have to purchase the 3D glasses separately. You can buy them for approximately 1.5 euros. This is a one-time purchase. You can keep these glasses with you and you can use them again and again.
Which I feel is better
than
sharing a glass.
Shopping. Yes, it's sad.
Not sad.
But every once in a while you will have to shop for some basic garments. As mentioned in our previous video named 8 Initial Expenses, people from warmer countries should not purchase their winter clothes from their native countries.
So it is always advisable to purchase them from here. This is because the fabric of winter wear differs in every country. So your sweater or jumper which protects you in your climate might not help you much here. Dutch winters are cruel. They are not just cold, they are a mixture of chilly winds, scathing rains and very scanty snow.
A really good, thick and warm winter jacket will cost you around 100 euros. Please understand that this will be a one-time and quality investment. That jacket will be very sturdy and will last you for a long time.
Apart from that, if you wish to go on a shopping spree, then here is a list of some basic items from brands like H&M, Only, etc. So price for a simple t-shirt will lie between 5 euros and 30 euros. Cost for a pair of jeans will range from 9 to 50 euros. A dress might range from 10 to 100 euros and jacket will be in the range of 15 to 150 euros.
These prices will drop down whenever there is a sale. So that is the time to go on a shopping spree if you want.
And that was the end of the 2-part video series, guys. Let us know if you missed, if we missed something. Hopefully the list will help you figure out your finances. Feel free to engage with us and share the videos. See you next time, guys.
Bye.